प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, dear boys and girls, now I am telling you about the physics syllabus of class 12th term first exam, whose pattern is MCQ, multiple choice questions type. Now, syllabus is chapter 1, electric charges and field electric charges. In this chapter, related portion is uniformly charged thin spherical shell, that is field inside and outside. Now in chapter 2, nothing is related. In chapter 3, current electricity, the related portion is carbon resistors, color code for carbon resistors, series and parallel combinations of resistors. Now in chapter 4, moving charges and magnetism. Here the deleted portion is cyclotron. Now in chapter 5, magnetism and matter. Here the deleted portion is magnetic field intensity due to a magnetic dipole along its axis and perpendicular to its axis, torque on a magnetic dipole, and another deleted topic is para, dia and ferromagnetic substances with examples and electromagnets. Now, dear children, in chapter 6, electromagnetic induction, nothing is deleted. Whole of the chapter is coming into the syllabus of your exam of term first. Now, chapter 7, alternating current, and here the deleted portion is power factor and voltless current. Now, in term second exam, which will be the descriptive type, chapter 8, electromagnetic waves. Here the related portion will be basic idea of displacement current. And in chapter 9, ray optics and optical instruments, the deleted portion is reflection of light, scattering of light, blue color of sky and reddish appearance of the sun at sunrise and sunset, telescope, polarization, plane polarized light, Dirichlet's law, uses of plane polarized light and Polaroids. Now, chapter 10, wave optics. Here in this chapter, nothing is deleted for the exam. Now, chapter 11, dual nature of radiation and nature. Here, the deleted portion is Davison-Zermer experiment. Now, last and chapter 12, atoms. Here, nothing is deleted for your exam. Okay, so dear children, again, chapter 13, nuclei. Here, nothing is deleted, and chapter 14, semiconductor. Here, nothing is deleted.